everyone, what's up guys? How are you guys doing? Okay guys, so you're welcome back to my channel and you're welcome back to today's video. Now in today's video I'm gonna be showing you a tomato scrub that would actually help to renew your skin, plump your skin up, make your skin look so soft, and literally turn your skin around. Okay, so if you're actually experiencing all of those age-related problems and you actually do not love the way your skin is, these ingredients would actually help to make your skin really glow. So let me take you right into this video. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel, turn on your post notification, and now let's go. So guys, now rubbing tomato slice overnight on your skin with other ingredients will actually take off those years from your age and make you look super duper young, guys. So I'm gonna be needing tomato, this fresh tomato, and what I'm going to do now first is that I'm going to be cutting the tomato in slice. Okay, so I'm going to be putting my sliced tomato in here. So what I'm also going to do is that I'm going to be cutting the tomato also in little pieces. I put just a little water so that I can be able to blend it very well. And this is it. I'm gonna be turning it into the bowl, and the very next ingredient which we're going to be needing will be sugar. Okay guys, now because sugar contains a smaller granite particles, it's going to help so much to glow the skin, and using it alongside with tomato will be very good on the skin. It will make the skin even out, and it will actually remove dark spots and alongside age spot. So what you do, you mix it up this way, and then it would be fine. So the very next ingredient, which is very required and also very important, is this. Now this is honey, and you have to use organic honey for this. Honey actually helps so much in moisturizing the skin and leaving the skin soft and supple. So it helps to allow product to get into the skin, and it also close up a large and open pores alongside with tomato. So I'm going to be putting 2 tablespoons of honey, organic honey, into this. When you're actually doing this, you have to use organic honey to do this. Okay, so what I do is that I'm going to be putting 2 tablespoons of that in here. And then also the very next ingredient, which is very important and very required, is yogurt. Yogurt is a great ingredient that contains lactic acids and it also contains vitamin E. Vitamin E helps to increase the skin elasticity, therefore making you look young and glowing. Okay, so I'm going to be scooping in about 3 to 4 tablespoons of this yogurt into this mix, and then mix it all up. Okay guys, so there is actually 2 ways in which you can apply this onto your skin, onto your face, onto your hands, and also onto your leg. Yeah, so here I have my already prepared tomato treatment, and I just have the tomato slice here. Okay, watch out because I'm going to be showing you how you're going to be using this particular one. But first of all, let me show you how you're going to be using this. Now I'm going to be applying this onto my hands because I feel my hand is dry and this is Harmattan time. Now you can also apply this onto your face because it's very ideal for the face. Yeah, so I'm going to be using my left hand to apply this onto my right hand, and I'm going to apply it generously onto my right hand. So you have to apply, you can use a brush if you want to use a brush to apply it onto your face or onto your body. You can actually do that. A generous application of this treatment is very perfect for the skin. So guys, what you do is that after you've actually applied this, you have to massage it. Yeah, you massage it like this in a circular motion. Apply in a circular motion, just like this. Okay, so after 1 to 2 minutes, then you can actually go wash it off. Now let me keep that aside. We bring in the tomato slice and we bring in all of these 3 ingredients, and this is how you're going to be using this, guys. You're going to either take 1 tomato slice, put it in your sugar. That is actually sugar that I put it in. Then you use it onto your skin. Okay, now when you do it that way, you know that you're actually using just 2 ingredients, which is the tomato and the sugar. And the particles in the sugar is going to be very much because, wait, I've not done. It's going to be very much because it has actually not dissolved a little, but it's actually very still helpful. Now I'm gonna be taking another slice, and this is honey. You're gonna be putting it into the honey. I'm actually showing you this in case you want to try any one of this you want to try. You can actually try it out and see which one goes with your skin. Okay, so you put it there like that, and then we scrub it. Scrub it like that. Scrub your face, your neck, your chin, your hands, your leg, anywhere you want to use this and scrub, you do that. So that's that for the honey, and this is the yogurt, and this is another slice, and then you put it into the yogurt and then you remove it, and yeah, you still use that to apply onto your skin. Guys, when you're done applying all of this, you're going to see improvements like immediately. But it's not something you apply only once and expect a miracle. Okay, you have to continually do this for at least 5 days, and you're going to see that your skin is going to actually get lighter and lighter. Okay, so I'm actually using just the tomato to scrub my body. Yeah, I love the feel of this, is that it feels really good. So that's it, guys. You can actually use any of this or this for at least 3 to 4 days and see the difference. See how effective this is going to be on your skin. Okay guys, so that's it. That is one great remedy that works anyhow you want to do it. If you want to do it the first step, fine. If you want to do it the second step, fine. You want to do the lazy man step, which is just the tomato slice plus any of that. It is very well perfect. So you go ahead and try this out and you are going to be loving it, literally. Okay guys, so that's it. I'll see you again in my next video. Do not forget to give this a try and do not forget to like my video, subscribe and share it also, and I'll see you again in my next video. Bye guys.